Nag-day off muna kami ni Pim and we went to this beautiful Chinese temple, Wat Leng Neyi. I swear it's so big, mukha siyang palasyo. Oops, bawal ang shoes sa loob, so we have to carry them around. Walang masyadong tao sa loob kasi today is a weekday. Ayan, tinatawag na ako ni Pim kasi ang bagal ko daw. Look at that, you can scan your donations. Or you can withdraw sa in-house ATM. Look at the hallway, it's so big. Ang daming lanterns. Wow! Amazing! So mag-merit giving muna si Pim. Do you know that there's a designated Buddha based on the day you were born? Let's see. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Mainit. Buti na lang maraming fan. Pwedeng magsulat ng wishes or request. It's a tradition. Ano kaya ang wishes ni Mami Pim? Ang taas ng steps, nakakapagod din. Everything looks majestic here. Feeling nga namin nasa Beijing kami eh. Look at that. Wow. Sige nga, kalampagin ng kampana. Baka magkatotoo ang mga wishes. The artistry is remarkable. From ceilings, to walls, to the steps, pati yung lanterns, ang ganda. Nauhaw tuloy ako. Buti may free water. Teka, uwi na ba tayo? Nasabi ko ba na may service wheelchair sila for disabled and elderlies? Pati toilets nila, impeccable. Teka, upo muna kami. Nakakapagod eh. Sarap lang.